Hello, what's up guys? So in this videos I'm gonna show you how to add timer to your videos just like this one. Now if you make videos like quizzes, or if you make videos showing the gym workouts, and you need a timer in your videos, so that I'll give you a simple method to show. Okay, so just open CapCut on your phone. It's mine one. Now click new project. Okay, now just load your video, your original video. Now for example, this is my original
The
video.
key is to start.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me put this video as mute the audio, so you shouldn't receive any disturbance. Now for example, this is a video showing gym workouts. Now you want to show your audience, if you're a gym coach, you want to show for how long to do one exercise or anything else. Now don't worry, I will provide you the overlays for free. I will provide you the timers and everything. Now just click overlay over here and click add overlay. Don't worry, I will zoom this for you. So the 10-minute 10 seconds one, I don't know where did it go. So oh, this one, that is there. Okay, so I'll be loading the 10-second one, that is with the green screen. That's it will load like this. Now first of all, uh, you can adjust this, or you can adjust it later, which one suits you. Now for example, I'll adjust this timer over here. I can adjust it later. Now click this, and from here go to cutout. Now most of the people make a mistake, they just click remove background. That's the wrong one. Don't click that. Click chroma key. Oh yeah, now I just click it. Now click color picker. Okay, now there is a slider, just move it this side. Now as soon as you move the slider, now don't click OK. Now you just have to click intensity. Now there is a bar. As soon as you slide it right, you can see keep it to 100% and click OK. Now it's the best time to adjust the timer. Now let me you want to adjust it over here. As soon as you adjust it here, click play or click back like this. Now that depends upon you where you want to adjust the timer. So for me it's good here. Let's play the video. I'll mute the audio so you don't feel any disturbance. Let's see. Now that's the timer going on. Now you can say your audience to carry out this exercise for 10 seconds or like that. So that is this is the simple way to add timer to your videos. So don't worry, I will provide you with these timers. There are a lot of with me. I'll provide you. You can download them in the description below. Thank you everyone for watching this video.